So hey guys, welcome back to my another YouTube video. And guys, as you know, this video is the part 2 of how to create any shirt in Roblox for free. So guys, in this video I will going to show you the another shirt which is named Millionaire Shirt for free. And guys, this is absolutely free, but it cost Robux in real. But I will show you of another trick how you can get it for free. So guys, follow all the steps in this video and be with me in my whole video. Don't skip it, so that if you want to make that millionaire shirt for free. So guys, just first of all, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bells and set it to all for all the notification, because I will be posting many other gameplay tutorial hack and another parts of how to create many types of shirt I will show. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get start our video after a short intro.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So guys, so first of all, for make that shirt, you need a app, Pixel Lab. And guys, in this video I'm going not to show you the use of Puffin browser, because guys, there are some problems with Puffin browser. For example, if you are logging in from Puffin browser, so it will ask you for verification again and again. So in this video I will show a trick in which you can change the setting of skin tone in normal browser, also in Google Chrome browser. Okay guys, so guys, first of all, you need a Pixel Lab app. I will give the app link in description, as you know. And if you not watch my part 1, the video link will be also in description, so you can check out from there. So first of all, you need to go to your Google or any browser you can go, and you have to search Millionaire Shirt Robux. And when you come here, just go to images and check out this image. This one, not this guys. Sorry, very much sorry. Okay, just cancel this. This one, guys. Wait. Yes. This template, as you can see, this one, what you have to do, just long press it, means you have to press hard this image for 2 seconds like this, and just download it from here. Okay guys, just click on it and your image will be downloaded from here. Okay, and go to your downloads, skip the things guys, it will pop up, means go to downloads and save it to gallery. Okay, like this. Now after that, what you have to do, go to your Pixel Lab app, and always I show you, you have to crop that image. Just cancel these things and just remove this new text option. Just click on these 3 dots here guys, here, this. Click on these 3 dots and click on use image from gallery. And as you know that you saved that image in gallery, the template of that shirt, just click on that guys. Okay, and after that you again have to select this 1:1 ratio and just crop the image until this shirt came. I will show you how much you have to crop. Just crop like me guys, otherwise your t-shirt will not look like real. Okay, as you can see guys, just turn it a little. Okay, like this you have to crop just this part. Okay, as I did. After that, click on the stick button. Here you can see it. So you can see our image is cropped like this. After that guys, you have to click on this beautify option here. This the last option in the state. See in the bottom guys, the last option, this beautify one. And you have to go to brightness. Just increase the brightness little so that it will look yellow. And after that, click on this tick option. Okay. And when you click on the tick, click on this option and save this image. And select this to PNG by clicking this down arrow. It is very important guys, because creating shirt t-shirts, the image will be of PNG. And after that, you have to click on save to gallery option. Like this guys. Okay, so your image will be saved. And now what you have to do, go to your Chrome browser, and from here you have to search www.roblox.com, like this. Oh sorry guys. Like this, and search it here guys, and you came here, just log in from here guys. Okay, And what you have to do now, just go to your create option here and enable your desktop site, guys. This option you have to enable it, it's important. And now click on this t-shirt button. We are creating shirt, but it's a trick. First you have to create the t-shirt, and you know that we are creating the t-shirt which we created in Pixel Lab. Click on choose file option, guys, and select your image by in recent column, this one which you cropped, and click on this upload button. Okay, so t-shirt is successfully created. Now as you can see, I have created this just now before you. So after that, guys, you have to do another important setting, guys. Just click on this three lines or three dot, you can say, and go to click on this avatar option so that you may be redirect to avatar editor. After you came in the avatar editor, guys, what you have to do, you know that first of all, the trick, if you click on this, we have to go to skin tone, and you know how to go. Click on the body and click on skin tone. So if you try by normal way, click on body and click on skin tone, it will not work. See, guys, but I came with a trick. Just what you have to do is to long press body, not just click, just long press the body option or any option. For example, just long press this body option like this. So you come here and click on skin tone. So long press means you have to press it for 2 seconds. Just click on it for 2 seconds and click on skin tone. So you may become here. Now click on this advanced option, guys. And what you have to do, just click on this left arm option, and you have to select the left arm in this yellow color. This one, I will show you here, guys. This one, this, okay. And right arm also to this color. This one, the brightest yellow color here. This one here. After you done the setting, click on done option like this. Okay, after you done the setting, guys, go back and open your Roblox app. Okay, and here you can see your created t-shirt also, which you created. Okay, now go to your avatar, guys. Okay, guys, wait a minute. This is my another account. I will log in from my real account. Okay, guys, wait a minute. So you guys, as you can see, this is my account in which I am creating t-shirt. So let me log in from this account, guys. Okay, from here you have to click on this avatar editor option, and here you can see our left and right arm are created in that selected color which we created from skin tone. Click on the customize, guys, and go to clothing and t-shirt, and you just find the t-shirt you created just now. It will take us some time to load. Okay, so as you can see, this is our latest t-shirt that we created, but it's taking a little time to load. Okay, now let's click and check it. So guys, here you can see it like this. It's looking like a millionaire shirt, right, guys? Okay, so you are thinking that it is coming red here. Yes, guys, let me solve this problem also. Go back again to your skin tone and select the torso also to black, that yellow color. Okay, just go here and select torso also to yellow color, the bright yellow color, this one. Okay, and click on done. And now just see your settings of that. It may take a little time to refresh, guys. Okay, let me do like this, refreshing. Okay, wait, guys, I am reopening my Roblox app. It will be fixed from there. Okay, so torso, right and left arm you have to select on bright color, as you know. Okay, bright yellow color. Okay, so now check your apparator, guys. As you can see, now it's soft yellow color. And guys, just tell me, we are looking that we have a millionaire shirt, guys. You can see it. Now let's play a game, and in game also I will show you that our shirt look like real millionaire shirt. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's looking very nice, and no, it is not for robots, but we just made it for free from a place. You can see that shirt. So guys, I hope you like this shirt and this video. So if you like, guys, don't forget to hit a like, guys, and comment hi or anything in the comment box. and you can comment box your doubts or anything so that I can solve you. And if you want to add me, just send a friend request to Sub1K Pinkly. I will be accepting your request. And here also it came 15 likes in this video so that I will post the part 3 for how to create anything. And in that part I will show a different shirt which was covered and I will show you how to make it for free. So guys, may I hope you like this shirt in this video. So guys for today's Jay Bye bye. You guys take care of it.